Our team match results are recorded in a collection of strings. Each match is represented by a string in the format XY, where X is our team score and Y is our opponent's score. Points are awarded for each match as follows. If we win, we get 3 points. If there is a loss, we get 0 points. And if we have a draw, we get a point. How to go about this? Well, here we are. First of all, I want to start with a starting point, of course. So the score is 0. And then I want to iterate through the games. So for game in games, let's print them out. There we have it. And what we have to do is to compare this score with this score, X and Y. We can access these elements with indexing. So our score would be indicated by index 0 and the score of the opponent would be indicated by index 2. There we go. And what we have to do is to compare them with a comparison operator and of course a condition. So let's start with a win. If our team has a bigger score than the opponent, then the score would be increased with 3. Like this, or abbreviated. And then we have the second condition. If we have a draw, double equal sign, then the score will be increased with 1. And then we have the last condition. If we have less goals than our opponent, then the score remains the same. We don't get any points. Well, let's return the score. There we have it, and let's test it out. Test. And there we go. Hope this video has been useful, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.